Trading in the global financial market is profitable, but staying profitable is a big deal. Trading is not all about buying and selling, bid and ask, bullish and bearish. It is a business, and only those with the right strategy will emerge winners. For over 2 decades, we have been studying books and trading in the global financial markets. And we have been able to put together the right trading experts to help you navigate the trading business and to stay profitable in the markets. Are you ready to unlock your potential in profitable trading? Join us in a 3-day bootcamp where we will be showing you the dynamics of how to make profit in the global financial market with or without trading. Join industry experts in a transformative experience happening in 4 major cities: Lagos, Benin, Abuja, and Port Harcourt. Get ready to gain valuable knowledge and take your financial business to the horizon. Click on the link anywhere around this video and I will see you in class.